Hello everyone! Today we're going to compare two popular funnel builders, Simvoly and Systeme.io, to help you decide which one is better suited for your needs in 2024. Let's start with Simvoly. Simvoly is an all-in-one website and funnel building platform that offers a wide range of features to help you create professional-looking websites and high-converting sales funnels. Simvoly offers an intuitive drag-and-drop website builder with pre-designed templates for websites and funnels. The platform also includes SEO-friendly features and integrates with third-party tools like GetResponse, MailChimp, and Zapier. Plus, Simvoly provides robust analytics to track your website and funnel performance. Pros of Simvoly include its easy-to-use interface, lightning-fast page loading speeds, and affordable pricing plans with no transaction fees. Comprehensive customer support and resources are available, including tutorials and a knowledge base. Cons of Simvoly include limited customization options compared to some other funnel builders, and some advanced features may require upgrading to higher-tier plans. Integration options with third-party tools are not as extensive as other platforms. Simvoly offers a free trial, allowing you to test out the platform before committing to a paid plan. Speaking of which, Simvoly offers 4 pricing plans: Personal, Business, Growth, and Pro, each with different features and limitations, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Now let's take a look at Systeme.io. Systeme.io is another all-in-one platform offering a drag-and-drop funnel builder with customizable templates. It includes email marketing automation, CRM tools, and a built-in affiliate management system. You can also create membership sites for delivering online courses and digital products, and integrate with popular payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe. Systeme.io provides sales tracking and analytics to monitor your funnel performance. Pros of Systeme.io include its affordable pricing plans with no transaction fees, user-friendly interface suitable for beginners, and active community and customer support. Cons of Systeme.io include a slightly outdated interface, and integration options with third-party tools are not as extensive as some competitors. Systeme.io also offers a free plan, allowing you to explore the platform before committing to a paid plan. Speaking of which, Systeme.io offers 3 pricing plans: Startup, Webinar, and Unlimited, each with different features and limitations, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. In summary, both Simvoly and Systeme.io offer powerful features and affordable pricing plans for building sales funnels and managing online businesses. The best choice for you will depend on your specific requirements and preferences. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Simvoly and Systeme.io for free.